guys, I'm backing up. I'm going to work. So, here's the situation right now. The road is not clean. We'll see in a minute. Look at that. So here's, I just get out in the garage. Hopefully it's not bad. The highway. Please help me and watch me driving there. Yeah, it's not clean. Here in our neighborhood. I already slide a little bit. Please help me, Lord. Main road, drive 20 miles per hour. The road is like very used, but they don't plow it. It's just the cars, a lot of cars driving. That's why it looks like cleaner, but it doesn't clean. It's not clean, guys. What's going on up ahead? I don't know what is that flashing means. It's only one flashing. I don't know if the other side is working or not. Oh, that's delivery. Okay, I just have to wait. Okay, I have to follow. Cannot overtake. This kind of road situation. So I'm going to turn here. We'll see. I have to slow down when I turn. Alright. It's still snowing, guys. Look at that. Whew. Here's the snow. Just get out from work, guys. Yeah! Let's go! Woo! Okay. Look at my car. It's covered by the snow. Oh, yeah.